What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I just want to do a quick run around of the bike to give you guys a general idea of how this bike is set up. It is lowered with a 520 chain conversion on it. The sprockets, I did leave them stock, so it's 16 in the front, 45 in the rear. That's the stock configuration for the Yamaha R6. I do have a full system on it. It does have some weight reduction as well. It has a race filter on it also. The bike is lowered pretty good in the front. The rear, I left it the same, at least for the time being. The bike is pretty much set up for, first gear launches, so I figured sticking with stock gearing would, work with that. And so far, I think it's working out pretty good. I may play with some sprockets at a later time, but right now, stock seems to be fine. The bike has right around 29,000 miles on it. So it's getting around that time to do a thought about it sync too. I think that was supposed to have been done at 26,000 miles, so I'm gonna have to get to that pretty soon. It does have a quick shift on it as well, and that's pretty much the basics of everything. Right now it does have E85 in it, but it's at the beginning stages of tuning, so it's not complete whatsoever. I honestly don't even know where it's at right now, because the last time when I first initially started tuning it, I had an ECU error, and I just put the bike up because I didn't feel like hunting down the issue of what it was. But I later found out that it was a cable and it corrupted the ECU itself, so it just kind of threw a whole bunch of codes and the bike wasn't running right. But I got all of that fixed up, so we're gonna see what it's gonna do out here compared to some other people. I know it's not gonna be 100%, but we're gonna see what it's gonna do.